Okay, ready? Hi, this is Alan Victoria. Alan Victoria sells homes, living in Greenville TV. Let's go check out this duplex today, right? This duplex is in the Wintergreen Hope Conley School District. It is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. And you can see it has a nice long driveway where you can have lots of things. And then we're going to go inside and check out this house right now. Are you excited? I'm excited. Hi, it's Alan Victoria. Welcome to our channel and podcast.
And if this is your first time in our podcast and YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and get notified.
Also, you can call text all the time, 252-327-3357. We love talking to you. Don't be shy. Also, grab our buyer's guide and seller's guide in the description below. Now we're coming to the house. So I'm inside this duplex. There are stairs, a hallway, and the kitchen. So let us go through the house as we would see. So if you come in from the front door where I just was, you would have walked over here to the kitchen where you can see. And it is pretty big. You can see they have a table. That's 4. You could probably sit more. If you don't have that hutch, you would have a bigger table there. They have even, pushed it over so they have an extra room for their stuff. Stainless steel appliances, double sink, and a nice window so if I'm washing the dishes in here, I can still see what's going on with their TV, what is going on with, with their house, with my kids or anything like that. So let's go over here. In the hallway, you have the washer dryer room with a washer dryer. You have a quick video. You have a half bath, so guests do not have to go upstairs. Half bath under the stairs. And then you have a really large living area. You could set this up any way you want, to be entirely honest. And before we leave the downstairs, let's go outside to the backyard. Backyard, we do have a patio area. You could put a fence if you want to. And yeah, this is a nice little area where you can sit in the back and enjoy your mornings and your coffee in the morning. Over here, you do have a closet as well, just to show you. So if you do need storage, you have storage. Now let's go upstairs. Let's go upstairs so you can see this house. The part up, down, run. Okay, here I am on the second floor, and this is where you would live for your living area. Bright blue. I have the primary, the 2 bedrooms, and the bedroom for the bathroom for the kids. Bedroom number 1. Double doors, so the kids have lots of room for their clothes. That is a full-size bed, but you could easily make that into a queen-size bed. It's just going to go out a little bit more. Easy fit. Here you already have a queen-size bed. You can see. Closet. Double door fitting everything. He has books. This is clearly your kids' room, TV. Everything is set for you in this room to really understand how it would look. Let's go to the bathroom. This is the kids' bathroom. It is a shower tub combination, toilet and sink. Primary bedroom. Primary bedroom is here. You have a bureau, a king-size bed, another bureau, so you can see this room will hold a lot of big furniture. You have behind me the walk-in closet, lots of stuff, and I can actually walk in and go to the side in this closet. So it is a bigger closet than you imagine, which is great. Now for the bathroom, you have a toilet and a shower tub combo as well. So this is a nice, honestly, you're getting so much for this duplex in Townhome that we're so excited to show it to you. Please call us at 252-327-3357.